Hello friends, I'm back with a new idea that is SeaShell Decorative Item Ideas. So, seashells are beautiful and natural resource that can be used to create a variety of decorative items. For elegant centerpiece to unique wall art, seashells can add a touch of the ocean to any room. One idea for seashell decor is to create a simple but elegant centerpiece. You can fill a clear glass bowl or vase within a assortment of seashells, placing larger shells toward the bottom and smaller ones towards the top. This will create a layered effect that is both beautiful and eye-catching. Another idea is to use seashells to create a unique wall art. One way to do this is to create a mosaic using different types and size of shells. You can arrange these shells into a design or a pattern and then glue them onto a canvas or a piece of wood. This will create a beautiful piece of art that is both interesting and unique. You can also use seashells to decorate picture frames or mirrors. Simply glue the shells onto the frame and mirror it on a design that complements the colors and style of the room. This is a simple but effective way to add a touch of the ocean to your home. Then finally, we have another design that is seashell can be used to create a beautiful and unique candles. Yes, you can melt wax and pour it into a large seashell, adding a wick in the center. This will create a beautiful candle that is both decorative and functional. You can also add fragrance oils or essentials oils to the wax to create a beautiful scent that will fill your home. So, seashells are a versatile and beautiful resource that can be used to create a variety of decorative items. From simple centerpiece to unique wall art, seashells can add a touch of the season ocean to any room in your home. So the next time you are at the beach, be sure to collect some shells and start creating your own DIY seashell decorative items. You can use them in any room and you can make those decorative items according to your room, like if it's for living room or drawing room or bathroom. You can make amazing decorative items. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like these unique ideas.